How many times have I had this dream that wakes me from my slumber? How will I ever get to sleep again, counting sheep in a book of numbers? How many times have I had this dream? Was he walking towards me from the river? When will I ever get to rest again? Wondering if I can do sing the sound of rushing water running through my veins. This is the sound of gas and water running out your head. This is the sound of atmospheres, 3 metric tons of pressure. This is the sum of all my fears, something I just can't measure. I remember the story of Jonah. He was trapped in a belly of a whale. How many times does he succeed? How many times does he fail? This is the sound of rushing water running through my veins. This is the sound of gas and water running out your head. See my shrink on an endless couch, hit me with a hammer and I'll say ouch. What we have here is so easy to solve. Just shake some